how to activate chat heads in Messenger on iPhone. So what we'll simply do is we'll open our Messenger app here, and after opening our Messenger app, we will simply click on the three horizontal line in the upper left corner, and then we will click on our settings and click on notification and sound here. Then we will get to see a lot of options here, like new and popular channels and other options. So what we have to do is we have to make sure to turn on this show preview option. And so it is basically an option of turning on our notifications, and after that we can go back to our settings, and after going in our settings we can simply search for our Messenger app here. Here I'm searching for it, and we have to click on our Messenger app, and we have to click on this notification option right there. And after clicking on it, we have to make sure this allow notification is turned on. And after doing all of this and making sure that our notification are turned on, that is how we can activate chat heads in Messenger on iPhone very easily.